we are going to replace this with this. And when I was texting Josh about this, he was smart enough to look up on Lowe's website and see what deals they were running. And I'll explain that here in just a minute. I think I already did in the short videos I posted, but
actually what it was, I kept hearing ads for it.
You really?
On Spotify, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I didn't know for sure what was available on the thing, but I kept hearing there.
So he had heard ads that they were doing
A deal on Craftsman tools.
deals on Craftsman tools, so that came in handy.
Yeah.
Good job, Lowe's, on putting ads on Spotify.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I was going to go pick up this router either way, but Lowe's was doing a Black Friday special where if you bought the 4 amp hour 20 volt batteries, the 2-pack with the charger, you could get a free tool, and this was one of the tools that qualified for that. So I didn't really need any other tools that qualified, so this is the one I picked.
Yeah.
Anyway, so basically got the router for free.
And not only did we get the router for free, this was also on sale.
That was on sale as well, yep.
Half off. It's normally $200.
And
And we got it for $100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure exactly what all this comes with. So we're going to take a quick look at that. I believe this is like a templating jig of some sort.
It's kind of neat.
I think I've thrown all of mine away from the other routers because I don't use them. It does have this handy little thing here, but I'm not sure exactly how it goes on. No, it looks like it goes on like that, so you can hook up a shop vac
Oh, that's cool.
not making a mess of everything. So that will be handy.
Yeah.
Anyway, actually, I'm going to just pop the screw in there now for that, just to demonstrate how easy it is to put on. Or not easy. Depends. We'll see.
One or the other.
So it goes in like so. Thread that in there.
Now, is this the first battery powered router
This is
you've
the
had?
first battery powered router I've had. I've got 3 full size routers. Only one of them is a 1/4 inch only. Everything else does 1/2 inch, which I prefer for bigger bits. But anyway, for a little trim router, this isn't bad. I'm going to pop one of the old batteries in here just to see weight-wise how they compare.
Be interested to see how it does being battery operated.
I think it'll do good because the batteries last forever long, seems like. It is adjustable for speed. 7 different speed settings. It's got a micro adjustment there for your
Sets from
bit depth.
16,000 RPMs to 30,000. That's what it adjusts from.
Wow,
That's fast.
that is fast. So you can take this base off to make it easy to change the bits out. It's got this little lock down here for the collet, and they include the wrench to make that super easy, as long as you don't drop it.
Wow.
Anyway,
They
so
made that super easy, didn't they?
yeah, you loosen it up, put that in, and then pop it on like so. And then this slides back on. And I like that this one, you can, like this one you can completely cut loose. The
Yeah.
other one did not do that.
No, that's what I was saying. It's like, that's nice.
So the other one, I'll show you here. So maybe I shouldn't have thrown that in the trash yet. The other one was adjustable, but it was kind of a pain to adjust because after using it a little bit, everything just gets kind of gummy with sawdust. You had to unscrew this, and in theory you're supposed to be able to twist this and move the base, but you actually have to like wedge it with your fingers to get it to move, and it's just a pain. So the other thing with this is the cord on it isn't the highest quality, so plugging it in, it would run, and then if you move the cord wrong, it would stop. didn't do that when I first bought it, but after a lot of use, it started doing that. So anyway, not 100% sure that's how this works. It looks like, yes. So it looks like, take this back apart. You take this plastic plate off the bottom, and then these two screws down here attach it to the base, and you can use it for edging and stuff. Use it as a template. It's adjustable, so you can move the router different places. I guess this would work great for juice screws in theory, because you can put a stop so your router only goes up to one edge. You just have to be careful about how you set it up. Anyway, I'm not going to throw that one away. I will actually experiment with that because it's a small one to do that with. But I think that's about good there. The only other thing we have to open up, got the scissors handy, are these battery packs. So the batteries, again, these sat in the truck in below freezing temperature for 2 days, and then we've had them sitting in the house. Opening these things because you always feel like you're going to cut yourself all over the place with plastic packaging. Plastic packaging is horrible. Save the wheels. Don't use plastic packaging. I don't know. Cardboard is the way to go. But you also have people that like to steal everything, so I get why they do it. It does make it harder to steal. If they spend half an hour cutting this thing open in the store, it's kind of harder for them to steal stuff. But put it in the cage like they put everything else, so that would work too. I mean, did I tell you he had to walk me up to the cash register to check out with these?
Really?
Yeah.
Just because of Black Friday, or?
Well, it was Wednesday. It wasn't even busy in there.
Were they locked up?
The tools were. The batteries were on a cable in the center aisle. Okay, so we've got another charger. And we've got battery 1. If we can get out of here. We'll have battery 2. There we go. And let's see, one light on that, and one light on that. So that must have been sitting in there for a while. But anyway, move this stuff out of the way. Try and demonstrate. Curious how well this router works in comparison.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna flip this over, and we're gonna try rounding over a couple of these. Kind of curious. I think that's pretty flat. We're not going to get a flip on that. We'll start this off at 1 and see how it. Okay.
Surprisingly quiet.
It is. Just a touch.
Huh. That's interesting how it just like immediately stops. Doesn't wind down.
It doesn't. The other one wound down. I think it's because it's a brushless motor.
That's really cool.
That one had brushes in it. settings, see how that goes. Seems to be a little less burning on this side. Yeah, a little less burn on that.
Yeah.
Anyway, would I have bought this without the deal? Yes, I was actually planning on buying it, but the deal made it an awesome deal versus just something I needed. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I think that's about all I've got on that.